Digital camera parts and definition. Lens. A lens is a tool used to bring lights to fix a focal point. In a film camera, the lens sends the light to the film script, while in a digital camera, like DSLR or mirrorless camera, the lens direct light to a digital. And then, lens release button. A lens release button, press this button to unlock the lens mount or detach the lens by rotating it. You don't need to press it when mounting a lens. Shutter button. Shutter is photography device through which the lens aperture of a camera is open to admit light and thus expose the film or the electronic image sensor of a digital camera. Adjustable shutter control exposure time or the length of time during which light is admitted. The flash. The flash is a device that emits light momentarily. You can use the flashlight to compensate for the lack of brightness when shooting in deeply lit, usually situation like indoor or night scene. Thanks to that intense exposure, using the flash can also be effective to prevent camera shake and camera blur. Pause. Play button. Play button. Here, play button. The play button is somewhere on the back of your camera. You have to turn to your camera manual to see how to use specific feature. Pressing the play button allows you to do the following: display different amounts of data. Delete button or erase button. Denote by a universal trash. Can icon pressing this button will let you delete a photo from your memory card. During playback, every manufacturer does it a bit differently, but it won't ever be one touch process. Lens focus. Lens focus mode. Dito rin sa front. Lens focus mode switch allows you to focus camera. LCD display. LCD display what you took picture of cross key allowed to move back and forth between picture and video. Power switch. Power switch turn the camera off and on. Viewer finder. Camera component that show the photographer that area of the subject that will be included in the photographer in a model camera, and usually it's part of a direct visual or range finder focusing system and may also be used to display exposure setting or meter information. This is the digital camera parts and definition.